Hey everyone, so I was asked to show how I do the pop-off method from my previous video. Somebody asked me how I did it, so I thought I would show it real quick. I'm just going to do 2 nails, and yeah, I'm going to show it real quick. So the first thing I do is I use my peelable base coat. I got this one from Amazon. I've had it for over a year. I love it. They do have other options though, but this one was really inexpensive. I think I paid like $7 for it. And I got 2 of them, so highly recommend it. And then, so you just paint that on your nails, you let it air dry. This one is air dry, and then you are going to put your nail tips on like normal. You just glue them right on top of it. Some people do use 2 coats of the peelable base coat. I use 1 because I don't have any problems with it coming off, ever. If anything, it comes off too soon sometimes. And then you put your tips on, glue them on, and then you're going to do your application like normal. I'm using both Secret Nail Affair and Purple Phoenix products in this video for these nails. So, again, you're just going to do your application like normal. And I tried to do the same type of nail that I did in that last video. So I'm doing like a glitter ombre type of thing. I use Unbearable Cover Powder from Secret Nail Affair for the nail bed, and then for the top I'm using my very own, named after me, glitter acrylic from Purple Phoenix, Nikki, and then I also add just a little bit of Pinktopia from Secret Nail Affair to it as well, just to give it a little bit more sparkle. So here I'm just doing the nail bed, and then I add the glitter, and then I also add a little bit of the Pinktopia, and then I cap it with clear from Purple Phoenix, their glass slippers. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, let you guys watch it, and then I'll come back in after I'm done. So here I am just finishing up. I'm putting the little glitters where I want them, you know, the little hearts and the stars and everything. And I actually had it go too far down the nail, so I just clean it up a little bit. To do that, you just dip your brush in the monomer and kind of, you know, take the glitter off and push it back up. So that's what it looked like, and now I'm going to cap it in clear. And what capping is, in case you did not know, is you're just pretty much covering your design or your glitter with the clear acrylic to protect it. So that way, when you go to file, you don't, you know, ruin your design. And this is one of my favorite clears glass slippers. It's very, very clear, like looking through glass. And it's not hard to work with either. Some clears could be kind of hard to work with, at least for me. So I'm just finishing that up, and then I'm going to go in with my file in just a second. So there they are, all finished. I'm going to go in with my file now. Now, I don't usually use my drill very much at all. I will go around my cuticle with like my 5-in-1 bit or a cuticle bit every once in a while, but I mainly use a hand file. I just recently got these Pana 100 grit ones from Purple Phoenix, and I absolutely love them. They're great files. So that's what I did there. I just filed it. That was all nice and dusty. And then I clean it with rubbing alcohol really good. And make sure you get underneath the nail too when you are getting all the dust off, and that way it doesn't get in your top coat. And I'm using Purple Phoenix Diamond Top Coat. And look at that shine. Oh, it's so pretty, that glitter. I love it so much. I might do a full set like this because I really love this glitter. The way that these came out, they're really pretty. So I'm going to pop them off here in a second and show you how I do that. Now these didn't want to pop right off because I did mess up a little bit and get some on my skin. It was really hot today, so my application wasn't, all that great. So I just took my cuticle pusher and I push around the cuticle and then pop, they come right off. Very simple, very easy, no damage to your nails, and you get to practice. You can even reuse these later for like press-ons if you wanted. Anyway, if you guys have any questions or you need me to go over anything anymore, just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all bunches. Bye.